Hey, if you are wondering why your Google Pixel 10 Pro is hot while charging, then let me quickly show you. First of all, I will highly recommend you to check the device temperature, and you can quickly do this by going to the settings, open the battery settings, go to the battery diagnostics, and select phone is very warm. And here we can find that temperature and short information that this estimated temperature is typical with normal phone use. If you plug it in, then it's normal when it's gonna be a little bit, the temperature will be a little bit higher when you start charging it. And it's normal because when you use fast charging, it actually generates extra heat. And this smartphone uses 45 watts fast charging. If you want to lower that temperature, you can use less powerful charger, like for example 20 watts or 15 watts. It's gonna charge your phone slower, it's not gonna activate the fast charging, and then the temperature will be lower. Also, if you are using the phone while charging, for example when you are gaming, watching videos, navigating, it also makes your phone hotter. And sometimes when you are not using an original charger or cable, non-certified chargers can also cause overheating. And sometimes the background apps or system updates running during the charging can also add more load, which will actually increase the battery temperature, the phone temperature. So I would recommend you to stop playing, stop watching videos when you are charging this device, turn off everything that is in the background, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's short information for you. Sometimes you can also try to update software, but if your Pixel 10 Pro stays like extremely hot, which is actually uncomfortable or to hold, or battery drains abnormal fast, I will suggest you to contact Google support or a service center, because that's something abnormal, and you should actually try to fix this, because none of those tips will help you if it's stays extremely hot like for 2 or 3 days.